after the sun really starts hitting. No, save this guy so he don't drown. Damn it. There you go, buddy. There you go. Put you over here, huh? There you go, bud. There you go. There you go. I don't let you drown, little homie. Hope you didn't swallow too much of it. You guys be careful, man. Don't be like this guy. This guy didn't make it, man. Poor buddy. He got stuck in the water. No, this one got stuck in between the rocks. Yeah, I can get him out right now. You guys, be careful, man. Don't get stuck in there. Let's check out our little busy bees this morning. You guys know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Or hate, share, subscribe.